Why Parrot can't keep a secret.
Why Parrot can't keep a secret.
Jumbo Parrot.
But you see, there was a time when Parrot was the best keeper of secrets in Tinga Tinga.
So you won't tell Crocodile that you're going to pull his tail? You promise you won't tell? Is that a yes or a no?
Parrot couldn't open his beak, so the animals didn't mind if Parrot overheard their secrets because he never said a word.
Bye-bye, Parrot.
Wiry.
Poor Parrot.
1, 2, 3, 4. Now what comes after 4? Let me try again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Parrot. Parrot! Parrot doesn't come after 4. What are you doing there, Parrot? You should have said something. Oh, sorry, Parrot. You can't say something. Silly me. Big head, see? Tiny brain. Don't tell anyone, but I'm trying to teach myself counting. It's our little secret.
Wanyama! Animals! Animals!
That's Lion. He sounds angry. Come on.
Where is everyone? I want every beast here.
I'm coming, Your Majesty. I'm coming. What is it? Oh, my goodness.
Some beast has stolen my mane. This is not nature's way. Does anyone know who took it?
No.
Who would dare do such a thing? Shocking!
No one has seen anything?
We haven't seen anything.
We haven't seen anything, no.
How can I be king without my mane?
Your Majesty, we will search the entire land until we find your mane.
We will search treetops and the water holes.
We will check in every burrow. And we will look under every rock.
Come on.
We'll find it.
Your Majesty,
Please don't look at me like this.
don't worry. We will find your mane.
Thank you, Leopard. Asante. Such a beautiful cat, Leopard, with such beautiful spots. Maybe she won't like me anymore. But that's just between you and me, Parrot. Not a word.
Nothing up here.
Dearie me, nothing in the treetops. Meerkat, can you see anything?
Nothing on the plains, but always on the lookout. Aardvark, can you see anything?
Nothing underground.
This is not good. This is not good at all.
I've never seen Lion so angry. Do you think Lion was angry?
Yes, he was really angry.
Oops. Sorry, Tortoise.
Well, if you ask me, Lion looked quite plain without his mane.
Peacock, you shouldn't say things like that. Some beast could hear you.
Funny how you take away the mane, you take away the king.
Parrot's right there.
Oh, don't worry about Parrot. Parrot can't tell anyone anything. Can't open his beak.
I stole Lion's mane while he was snoring underneath a tree.
How does it look?
Oh, it suits you, hyena. Oh, sorry, I mean, Your Majesty.
You look quite the king.
It is nature's way, my friends. I am the new king of Tinga Tinga.
Let me try. Hyena, it's Parrot. He has seen us.
Don't worry about Parrot. He won't tell anyone.
He can't tell anyone. I want a go. Give me a go.
No. Let's hide the mane. Then we can all be king. Crocodile, come here. There you go.
No one will ever find it.
Without his mane, Lion can't be king.
We don't want Lion to be king ever again.
No.
Let's hide in the swamps. Oh, and Parrot, keep your beak shut.
Here, keep looking, keep looking.
Sorry, Parrot, I can't understand you.
Sorry. Keep looking, keep looking.
Parrot, this is no time for games. We have to find this maiden.
Oh, Lion's going to stay angry forever. Huh?
Polly, sorry, Parrot, we can't understand you.
What will Lion do if we can't find his mane?
I don't know. Let's have some coconut before we start looking again.
Jumbo Parrot!
Jumbo Parrot. Rhino, it's really hard, this coconut. Well, if you want to try and open it, Karibu, please do.
Yes, you've got a hard beak. You have a go.
Go on, you try and open it. Uh-oh. Huh? Oh.
Yes! I found the mane! I found Lion's mane!
You opened your beak.
Parrot, you opened your beak.
Say something, Parrot. Say something.
I found the mane! I know where Lion's mane is!
Well, what are we waiting for? You've got to tell Lion straight away.
Yes, let's.
Aha!
Come on. Haraka, quickly.
I know where it is!
Oh.
Aha! In the middle of those rocks, Your Majesty! Your mane is underneath those branches!
Aha! I am King of Tinga Tinga! Parrot, I cannot thank you enough. You have done your king a great service. And do you know who stole my mane?
It was hyena and jackal and crocodile and lizard
And where are these scoundrels?
hiding in the swamp.
Hyena, jackal, lizard, crocodile. Show your faces before the king.
And they said they wanted to be king of Tinga Tinga.
Did they now? Well, we'll have to show them there is only one king of Tinga Tinga.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
That will teach them. You have done extremely well, Parrot.
Thank you, Your Majesty. But there's more.
Go on.
Well, Peacock thought you looked quite plain without your mane.
Did he now?
But.
No buts, Peacock. Anything else?
Well, poor old elephant here can't, and he's too embarrassed to tell anyone.
Parrot, that was our little secret.
Elephant, why didn't you tell me? I'll help you count. That's what friends are for.
Oh, thank you, Tortoise. Asante.
Ooh, the monkeys are going to pull Crocodile's tail.
Shh, Parrot.
I'm afraid we've started something we may come to regret.
Because Crocodile can...
So you see, Parrot was so pleased to have helped Lion that he couldn't stop. And that's why Parrot can't keep a secret.
Oh, and there's one more thing. Lion was really worried. He thought the leopard wouldn't like him anymore without his mane.
Yes, Parrot. Thank you.
I'll always like Lion.
And lovely leopard and her beautiful spots Well, that's a whole other story. Why whale spouts? But you see, there was a time when whale didn't spout. Whale didn't spout until the day of the big storm.
Oh, now there's a big wave.
And was it big? I better get out of here.
Oh dear, these are the biggest waves I've ever seen. Oh, I can't seem to swim very well, and I keep swallowing lots of water. Oh dear, these are big, big waves.
Araka, quickly! There is a big storm coming. Every beast must hold on to something or find shelter.
Tighter.
I am holding.
Do not get blown away.
Sit on me, elephant. Sit on me.
Are you sure?
Do it now.
Okay.
Thank you, elephant.
My pleasure.
That's a big wind.
The wind is too strong! Follow me, bird!
Chameleon? Chameleon? Where are you?
What a storm!
Grab my horns.
Thank you, Giraffe. Asante!
Oh dear, I'm filling up with water. These waves are just too big. That's not the ocean. That's land. What am I going to do? Ride the wave, ride the wave. Here I go. Ride the wave. Ride the wave.
Whoa!
What in Tinga Tinga was that?
Ride the wave. What happened to the ocean? It's got very small. Oh, what a strange place.
Look, what is that? Right on the side of us. Taking up all of our water hole. I've never seen anything so big.
It's bigger than me.
I've swallowed too much water. I can hardly move.
Get this big thing off me.
Sorry.
I'm going to snap it. Then again, maybe I won't.
Looks like a very big fish with a horn.
Jumbo, everyone. Where am I?
You are in Tinga Tinga. I am Lion.
Well, Jumbo Lion, I am Niamgumi. I am whale. From the ocean.
I knew it was a fish.
Not a fish, a whale.
A whale.
Well,
A whale with a horn. How strange.
And you have come all the way from the ocean?
A big wave picked me up, and here I am stranded. And I'd really like to get home.
oh, that's not nice, being away from home.
We must do something.
Do you think you could help me back to the ocean?
May I suggest we all push whale back to the river and then she can swim home to the ocean.
May we?
Oh, would you mind?
Wanyama! Animals! Everyone push as hard as you can.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I'm too full of water. I can't move. I'm never going to get home.
Yes, you will. Tortoise will think of something. Don't you worry. He always thinks of something. Tortoise?
Right. Okay.
Won't be long now. You see, Tortoise has got this tiny head, see, but this really big brain. Whereas me, I've got this really big head, see, but this tiny, tiny brain. Look. You've got a big head. Have you got a tiny brain too?
Oh, I don't know. My head feels really funny.
Sorry about that. You've got a very pretty horn, though.
Don't be silly, Elephant. I don't have a horn.
But...
Whales don't have horns.
But... never mind. You get some sleep. Tortoise will definitely think of something. Won't you, Tortoise?
Trying my best, Elephant. Trying my best.
Whale is so full of water, no beast can move her. She is too big to stay and too big to go. What are we going to do?
I'll think of something. I'll think of something.
Why don't you stay with us in Tinga Tinga?
Oh, Elephant, I'd love to, but I can't. Look, the hot sun is making my wet skin all dry and crinkly.
Don't worry, I know what to do about that. I'll get crinkly skin too. Hang on. There, is that better?
Oh, yes. Thank you, Elephant.
We need a plan today, Tortoise.
Now, what can we do? What can we do?
It's quite nice being big because you can eat loads.
And you can make lots of noise.
But do you find sometimes that you can't fit into tiny spaces?
I'm so big and so full of water, I don't think I'll fit into any space ever again.
Whale is so full of water. Something's coming! Something's coming!
Quickly, Tortoise, quickly.
Nearly.
Don't worry, Whale. I'll give you another whoosh.
That's it! A spout! Whale needs a spout! That way, Whale will be able to whoosh out all of the water inside her, just like Elephant.
That's brilliant!
And how am I going to do that?
Out of your horn!
But I don't have a horn.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
Whales don't have horns.
Do you mind if I just... You can whoosh like me, Whale.
It's called spouting.
Well, I like this.
Spouting.
I can spout out all the water.
Oh, do it again. Do the spouty thing again.
My head feels better now, and I'm not full of water.
But our water hole is.
And now you can swim to the river.
And from the river to the ocean.
Back to your home.
But I don't want Whale to go.
I'll be going home, Elephant. You want me to go home, don't you?
Yes, I do. I do. But can I wave you goodbye?
I'd like that.
Come on, then. What are we waiting for?
Oh, no. Go on home.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I'm home. Thank you, everyone, and thank you, Elephant, for making my new spout.
Karibu, you're welcome.
Whenever I spout, I'll think of you.
Oh, okay then. You spout, and then I'll wave goodbye. Bye-bye, Whale. Bye-bye.
And that's why Whale spouts. And now, because of her big spout, you can spot her in the ocean too.
Thank you.
I'll miss that Whale.
Never mind, Elephant. You can think of her every time you whoosh.
That's brilliant. Watch out, everyone. I'm going to whoosh you.
Don't do it. Oh, Elephant!
An elephant and his trunk? Well, that's a whole other story.
Tinga, 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 tinga. Tinga, 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 tinga. Tinga, tinga is a land full of stories and surprises.
Tell me about it.
If you like to wonder why, Tinga Tinga is a land of wise.
You won't believe your eyes.
Why I swing from tree to tree.
Why my trunk is long.
Why I'm so
Why I
slow.
take. Why my skin is smooth and slick.
You ask why?
Why?
You ask why?
There's a story
Lots of stories.
beneath the Tinga sky.
Tales from Africa.
Tales from Africa.
Tinga, tinga, tinga.
Look at all my friends. I'll tell you why. Why Aardvark has a sticky tongue. But you see, there was a time when Aardvark didn't have a sticky tongue. And eating was a bit of a problem.
Try holding the corn like this and then nibbling the corn like this.
Here we are. Yep. Nearly there. Oh, my paws are too big and my mouth's too tiny.
I know, let's ask Elephant. He's got a big nose like yours.
Yes, maybe elephant can help. Yes, elephant.
Right, well, the first thing is to find a nice ripe mango. Not too hard and not too soft. Then you wiggle your trunk around the mango like so. Then pop it in your mouth.
I can wiggle my nose. Look.
That's good. Your turn. Oh, there's a good one.
It won't curl.
Try snuffling.
Okay, I'll give it a go. It's stuck.
Some beast pat Aardvark on the back, please.
I'll do it. Ooh!
Yummy.
Oh, will I ever find something that I can eat?
Perhaps Mama Cheetah can help. She is the best hunter in Tinga Tinga.
Yes, Mama
That's
Cheetah,
brilliant.
come on.
Run, Aardvark, run!
I am running.
So run.
Run.
Oh dear.
I could do better than that.
I don't think Aardvark will ever make a good hunter.
What about Mama Hen? I'm sure she would give Aardvark an egg.
And now I'm even more hungry.
Mama Hen, it is.
There you go. Please help yourself, Aardvark.
Oh, a lovely egg. Thank you, Mama Hen. Asante.
Careful now, Aardvark. Just poke a small hole in it.
Try and catch it.
Careful, Aardvark.
Easy?
Yes.
It's an easy catch. Gently does it.
Got it.
Gently.
Got it.
Yes.
Oh, I'm never going to find anything to eat.
Yes, you will, Aardvark. After a good night's sleep, we'll definitely think of something. Now, Lala Salama, everyone. Good night.
Lala Salama. Sleep well.
Oh, it's no use. I can't get to sleep. I'm so hungry. Oh, cheetahs hunt, monkeys eat corn, elephant has mangoes. And me, what do I have? Nothing in my tummy. Oh.
Hoi. What's the matter, Aardvark? You should be fast asleep.
I can't sleep when I've got nothing in my tummy.
Nothing in your tummy.
That's not good. That's not good at all. Have you tried mangoes?
I've tried everything. but I either drop it, or snuffle it, or break it. It's a big problem.
Well, we can't have that. Let's get all the night animals to help, huh? Do it, do-woo! Do it, do-woo!
Jambo, everyone.
Good evening.
Jambo, everyone. Evening. What's the problem?
Aardvark can't find anything to eat.
And I'm really hungry.
Any suggestions?
A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell Aardvark what we are like to eat. Well, me, I like eggs. Yes, an egg is a treat.
I like mosquitoes. And me, I like flies.
The best is a moth, but depends on its size.
Earthworms for moles, a worm or a slug.
Yes, worms, they are nice, but you can't beat a bug.
So it's insects and worms that you really can't beat. Insects and worms that we all like to eat. Insects and worms, that's a treat.
Yay!
Oh, worms and bugs. That sounds horrible.
I know. What about honey? Every beast loves honey, and it's the easiest thing to eat in the world. You just lick.
Oh, I saw the bees hide some honey in this log earlier. I'm sure they won't mind.
I agree. I know the bees would be the first to help poor hungry Aardvark. Now, come on, just put a tiny bit on the tip of your tongue. What's the matter?
My tongue's really small. I'll never be able to get it into that log.
Look!
Oh, that is tiny.
That's even smaller than mine.
That isn't good at all.
Animals, please. Oh, now come on, Aardvark. We don't want you to waste away.
OK, but it's not going to work, I tell you.
Don't be such a doomy gloomy.
Oh, it's all sweet and squidgy and sticky. It's so sticky that I'm stuck.
Aardvark's stuck.
Aardvark's stuck. That's not good. That's not good at all.
Pull!
Pull!
I am pulling.
Bush baby, skunk, let's all work together so we can all pull Aardvark off the honeycomb.
Oops. Oh, no.
Is that my tongue?
Oh, dear.
What am I going to do with that?
Try rolling it up, Aardvark. It might roll back in.
Look at Aardvark's tongue.
Oh, it's all sweet and sticky. Delicious. Oh, I wonder if I can roll it out. I can! I can unroll and roll my tongue! Look! Hey, look at this! In and out!
I bet that long, sticky tongue of yours would be perfect for catching termites.
Termites?
No, Aardvark, termites are delicious. I managed to get a few digging, with these big paws of mine.
Oh, I've got big paws like that.
Oh, and with that long sticky tongue of yours, you could snaffle them up. Come on, let's give it a try. Dig, like this. See?
I can see lots of tunnels. Now what?
Roll out your new sticky tongue.
Rolling out now. Oh, they're delicious. Oh, this is perfect. These termites sure taste good.
No more empty tummy for Aardvark. Thank goodness for that.
I told you. Let's get some more.
Your turn.
Jumbo Aardvark, what are you doing?
Snuffling for termites with my new sticky tongue. Look!
Whoa!
Wow! That's amazing! Do it again!
Do it again, do it again.
Ta-da! And with my new sticky tongue, I won't be hungry ever again.
And that's why Aardvark has a sticky tongue.
Well, that's enough food for now. I'm going to have a rest.
And do you know, from that night on, Aardvark always came out at night to eat termites with his new friend Mole.
Hey, Aardvark, this is my hole.
And Mole living underground, well, that's a whole other story. Cheza, cheza, come on, dance. Imba, imba, come on, sing. Shuka, shuka, shake it down. Woo-hoo. Ruka, ruka, jump around. Woo!